So the first category is faces. It's about exploring an idea of someone's identity. You might do this through capturing a simple facial expression or getting a subject off guard. Or you might even just get them within a context of a certain kind of scene. Anything goes really, more creative the better. Think about the kind of light you have available to you. Shooting portraits in harsh sunlight or in complete shadow can be difficult, whereas if you shoot them in a soft evening light, it can really bring out the character in your subject's face. One of the features you should definitely try out is the portrait mode. It sort of blurs the background and gives it that sort of effect that you normally find with a DSLR. It gives you a lovely bokeh effect, and it just draws attention to the person you're taking a photograph of.